Do they love you? Or are you just someone they're comfortable with? Because here's the truth no one tells you. Love doesn't confuse you. People do. If you've ever stared at your phone, waiting for their message, replaying their words in your head, wondering if they actually care, or if you're just overthinking, then this is for you. There's one simple sign. Not hidden in big promises. Not in "I miss you" texts. Not even in late-night conversations. But in something so small. Most people completely ignore it. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Because real love doesn't leave you guessing. It feels certain. So before you assume they love you, ask yourself this one thing. Do they choose you even when it's not easy? Not when they're bored. Not when they need attention. Not when it's convenient. But when it actually costs them something. Their time. Their comfort. Their ego. That's where the truth starts to reveal itself. Let's get something straight first. People don't always say what they feel. But they always reveal it through behavior. And in love, confusion is never a good sign. Because someone who truly loves you doesn't make you feel like you're competing for attention. Think about it. Do they reply when it suits them? Or do they actually make space for you in their life? Because there's a huge difference between saying, "I saw your message," and saying, "I was waiting to talk to you." One is habit. The other is priority. And here's what psychology tells us. When someone truly values you, you stop being extra in their mind. You become emotional comfort. So even in busy moments, you still exist in their thoughts, naturally. But if you notice the opposite, if you are always the one initiating, always the one adjusting, always the one explaining, then it's not love confusing you. It's inconsistency. And inconsistency doesn't create love. It creates emotional addiction. You stop feeling connection and start chasing moments instead. Now here's the part most people never try. If you want to know the truth, stop asking and start observing. Here's the easiest test. Pause your energy. Not to play games. Not to manipulate. Just stop chasing for a while. And then watch. Because someone who truly cares notices your silence. They feel your absence. And without being forced, they come back. But someone who only enjoyed your attention slowly disappears into it. Not because they hate you, but because they were never deeply invested. And here's the truth people avoid. Love is not proven in presence. It is proven in effort, when distance appears. If they only show up when you show up, that's not connection. That's reflection. You are just seeing your own effort, mirrored back. But if they reach out, when nothing forces them to, no need, no benefit, no pressure, that's where real emotion starts to show itself. Because real love doesn't wait to be reminded. It returns on its own. So now everything comes down to this. If you've been overthinking, checking your phone, replaying conversations, trying to decode their behavior, then understand something important. You are not too emotional. You are just trying to find clarity in uncertainty. But real love never feels like a puzzle. It feels safe. Not perfect, not dramatic, but stable. Because when someone truly loves you, you don't question your place every day. You feel it. In consistency. In effort. In presence that doesn't need reminders. And if you constantly need to test it, analyze it, pause your own love to see reactions, then that itself is an answer. Love should not require experiments to prove it exists. So instead of asking, "Do they love me?" ask something stronger. Do I feel valued without proving my worth? Because the moment you stop chasing confusion, you start attracting clarity. And if this video made you think differently about love, then stay here. Because here, we don't chase emotions blindly. We understand them deeply, so you never lose yourself in them again. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.